Okay, you ever like walk along the underground path though? No.
What kind of, like, you were saying you guys are part of the union on strike. Where do you work when you're not on strike?
We're recreation workers.
Okay, so you work in like the community centers and stuff? I mean, I crashed a wedding here when I was a teenager.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Do you know about this particular washroom?
Well, we used to follow the path up from Union Station because we live in Mississauga, so we would take the train to Union and then we would follow the path up, and we ended up crashing a wedding here and coming
Oh my
back. In there as well, like when I first came in, she was pushing the giant cart and everything else out.
Really?
And she wasn't saying anything to the girls.
Well, maybe she figures that's security's job.
Yeah, but she didn't say anything to security, otherwise there would have been someone in there, right?
Yeah. Can you tell me what's it like working in the path?
I don't work in the bath
Oh, where do you work?
in this building.
In this building? And so is there a lot of problems with security and things like that?
No,
I was wondering if
I can't say. I can't say. I can't
can
say.
you give us any insight into the path in terms of security? Like, is there a lot of problems with homelessness, for example?
Not really. No, not really. It's all outdoors. It's all outdoors. It's all outdoors.
Oh, that's nice. I have seen that set on the store, but it actually is cute. It's very nice. Yeah. It's kind of like not as warm as a cardigan, but a little bit. I guess, you know what, even under a tank top, if you use a tank top, you can kind of